If you're a student and you feel like your money disappears before the month even ends, this video is for you. Most students are never taught how to manage money, and because of that, they repeat the same 5 mistakes over and over again. Mistakes that cost them hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single year. In this video, I'm going to break down each one, and more importantly, tell you exactly how to fix it. So stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is the one most people never even think about. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down money and finance in the simplest way possible. No complicated terms, no confusion, just straight, useful information. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. This is the #1 reason students run out of money. They have no idea where their money is going. It just disappears. Here's the fix. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your money goes to needs: food, rent, transport. 30% goes to wants, fun, shopping, going out, and 20% goes to savings, even if it's a small amount. You don't need an app or a spreadsheet. Even writing it down on paper works. The goal is awareness. When you know where your money goes, you make better decisions. Mistake number 2, spending more as you earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a part-time job or a stipend, great. But instead of saving the extra money, you upgrade your lifestyle. New phone, more eating out, more subscriptions. Here's the problem. Your expenses grow with your income, so you're never actually ahead. The fix? Every time your income increases, save at least half of that extra amount before you spend anything. Let your savings grow faster than your lifestyle. Mistake number 3, ignoring small daily expenses, a coffee here, a snack there, a subscription you forgot about. These feel small, but they add up fast. Think about it. If you spend just $3 every day on something you don't need, that's $90 a month. Over a year, that's over $1,000 gone. The fix is simple. Track your spending for just 1 week. Write down every single thing you buy. You'll be shocked at where your money actually goes, and you'll naturally cut the things that aren't worth it. Mistake number 4, having zero emergency savings. Life is unpredictable. Your phone breaks, you get sick, you miss a bus and need a cab. Without an emergency fund, any small, unexpected expense can completely destroy your budget. The fix: start an emergency fund, even if it's just $5 or $10 a week. Over time, try to build it up to cover at least 1 month of your basic expenses. Keep it in a separate account so you're not tempted to spend it. This one fund can save you from going into debt every time something goes wrong. Mistake number 5, waiting until you have more money to learn about it. This is the silent one. Most students say, "I'll start saving when I get a real job. I'll learn about investing later." But later never comes. The habits you build now as a student are the exact same habits you'll carry into your adult life. If you learn to save $10 a month as a student, you'll know how to save $500 a month when you earn more. Money is a skill, and the earlier you start learning it, the more powerful it becomes. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So there you have it. The 5 money mistakes every student makes and exactly how to fix them. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe, because every week I drop new videos to help you understand money better and make smarter financial decisions. I'll see you in the next one.